Today, Abdul Malik and Nur Sultan are visiting Itaya village. They are here to meet some very special friends, the farm and domestic animals. Let's see who they find first.
Mei Mei, I am a goat. I love to climb and eat grass. Mei Mei, want to race me to the top. Blit, blit.
Meow, meow. I am a cat. I love naps and warm laps. Meow, meow. Give me a cuddle, and I'll purr happily. Meow.
The owl hoots. Hoo hoo! I am an owl. I stay awake at night. Hoo hoo! If you hear me, it's bedtime for you. Ho!
The dog barks loudly. Woof, woof! I am a dog. I love to bark. Woof, woof! If you need a good guard, just call me Woof, woof! Ba, ba! I am a sheep. My wool keeps you warm and cozy. Ba, ba! Want a fluffy sweater? I got you covered. Ba, ba!
Cluck, cluck. I am a hen. I lay eggs for breakfast. Cluck, cluck. Yummy omelets? Thank me later. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Moo, moo. I am a cow. I give fresh milk every day. Moo, moo. Do you like milk? Well, it's all thanks to me. Moo!
Neigh, neigh. I am a horse. I run super fast. Neigh. Hop on for a ride, but hold tight. Neigh.
Quack, quack, quack. I am a duck. I love swimming in the pond. Quack, quack. Splish splash. Let's take a dive. Quack, quack. And that's the end of our amazing trip to Itaya village. Abdul Malik and Nur Sultan met so many animals today. Which animal was your favorite? Dog barks woof woof. Cow says moo moo. Sheep says ba ba. Cat says meow meow. Goat bleats neigh neigh. Owls hoot hoo hoo. Hens cluck cluck. Duck says quack quack. And horse says neigh neigh. See you next time for more fun adventures. Bye bye.